Is this you? Frustrated with work and trying to make sales? Then please take a minute to watch this video. Hey guys, this is Chi from Simply Chi on Etsy. I hope you guys enjoyed that very intense and emotional intro, and that actress was pretty darn good, wasn't she? Anyhow, I'm sure many of us have felt that frustration of selling on Etsy and trying our hardest, but then coming up a tad short. So in this video, I thought I would go over my tips on how to make a sale. In particular, how to make multiple purchases in one order. Basically, that means getting a customer to buy more than one item in one sitting. Oh my God, Liam, can you go please? So the tips I'm about to share with you are all organic, so you don't have to pay a dime, not even a penny. You just have to put in a little bit of work. But if you are ready to get started, then let's do it. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a like. Okay. So my very first tip is when you go to list an item on Etsy, you want to take great product shots of that one item, but then you'll also want to include a picture of other items similar to that product that the customer may also be interested in. And you'll want to provide a link as well in the description. Something as simple as providing a link makes it easier for customers to find your products, which also means more chances of increased page views, which can turn into items being sold. Basically, think of the link as a salesman assisting the customer so that they can make that sale. I not only add in links for specific items, but I'll also include links to sections of my shop like home decor. This way, customers may see more items that they like and may possibly add to their cart, which means cha-ching, more sales for me. Up next, we have add product listing variations to your Etsy listings. I'm not going to show you how to add variations to your listings here, but there are numerous videos online explaining the process. Mainly, I wanted to explain why it's important to include this in your listings. I use variations when I'm selling items that are very similar or items that are the same, but may have different sizes or materials. For example, here's a listing of vintage glass jars that includes variations with different sizes. I chose to add variations because my sales goal here is to get the customer to purchase a set or more than just one. By providing a pleasing photo of the jars styled together and giving the customer more buying options, I'm increasing my chances of making a multiple sale. Here is another example of how I used variations to make multiple sales in one order. I grouped all these miniature figurines into one listing. I figured if a customer likes one, maybe they'll want two. This customer ended up buying 3. And finally, I'll end with this last tip for you to implement in your Etsy shop if you want to work on increasing your sales. This one entails a bit more work, but it really is a must in this business. And what it is to provide a styled vignette of your items in one of your picture listings. A styled vignette may seem complicated, but all it is decorating and showing how your products all look and go together. Sometimes it's hard for people to imagine what items would look like in their own homes, but when they see a styled photo, then they might start thinking, I could do that, or ooh, this and that would look great together. So you can see how stylized vignettes can really help boost sales. Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you guys for all the support the last couple of months.
I love chocolate.
Last few months. My sales have been up. So I wanted to let you guys know that I'm super grateful. Can't stop concentrate with them at all. But thank you so much and have a good night.
Night.
You want to say anything, Charlie?
Go shop!